What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing another current beauty favorites video. I told you guys they are gonna be here and there thrown on my channel just to update you guys on the products that I am currently loving. It's been 2 months since my last beauty favorite, so we're about due. So yeah, I have a bunch of products to talk about. There is a bit of skincare, makeup, and just like miscellaneous stuff, so it's a good chunk of variety of different things. So yeah, if you guys want to see my current beauty favorites, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching, and definitely before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we are uploading twice a week in this bitch, so you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. So yeah. Okay, so jumping straight in, I'm gonna start off first with skincare, only because I feel like that's how my brain works. We do skincare first. So yes, I also want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is TEAMI blends. You guys, I love TEAMI. I've been talking about TEAMI forever now on this channel. You know, me and TEAMI is like this, and y'all know one of my holy grail TEAMI products is their detox mask. I've told you guys so many great things about this mask, but TEAMI actually just came out with that new mask, you guys, and it's like the sister to this mask, you guys. It is so great, and I've been testing it out now for 2 weeks, and I am obsessed, which is why I'm showing you in today's beauty favorites. Like, I'm obsessed with this mask. This is the TEAMI Beauty Butterfly Mask. So it is different than the detox mask, you guys. This is actually a beauty mask. So cute. Oh my god, there's a freaking fly in here. Yeah, the reason why it's called the Beauty Butterfly Mask is because it actually has butterfly pea extract in its ingredients. I love the color of it, you guys. It is this beautiful baby blue periwinkle shade, and I love the consistency as well. So the detox mask is more kind of like a clay, pulls out all of your pores and all of that gunk. This one here is literally just going to make your skin look beautiful. The beauty mask. So the way I've been loving to use this is actually using it in the daytime, which is very different for me because most of my skincare is always in the nighttime. But with this beauty mask, I actually like to start my week with this beauty mask, especially to put it on the days where I'm filming. So I did actually put the mask on before I did beat my face today, and girl, I'm obsessed. It literally calms down all of my redness, takes out all my imperfections, smooths out my skin, no bumps, no nothing, you guys. I look nice and hydrated. This mask is super hydrating, you guys. I am gonna insert a clip, that way you guys can see me live and in action using this mask, and you guys can also see the before and after of my skin. And as you guys can see in my before, I have a lot of redness, you guys, especially when I wake up in the morning. My skin is super red, and this is just amazing to put on right before your makeup or before a good event. You guys know there's those events, a birthday, whatever, where you guys want to put something on your skin before you beat your face just to give you like that magic glow up. You know what I'm saying? And this is that for me. Another good thing that you can do is actually combine them. If you guys want to detox in certain areas and hydrate and smooth in other areas, girl, you can definitely double up on mask. So if you guys want to detox on more areas where you have more pores, like your nose, your forehead, and on your cheeks, feel free to use the green one there and the blue one everywhere else. So however you want to use it. As you guys know, I do have a coupon code with TEAMI, so if you guys want to check out this mask, of course they gave the prima donnas a coupon code, so definitely check out the description box, and I will also leave the direct link if you guys want to check out this mask. That way you guys don't need to search for it, look for it, none of that. The link will be down in the description box. So yeah, definitely check out the mask, you guys. I'm telling you, you are not going to regret it. It is bomb. I'm not gonna put you guys onto nothing that I don't fuck with heavy, okay? Because y'all know I don't even make favorites videos, so to have something even make it to the cut of my favorites video, it has to be bomb. Okay, moving on to the next skincare product, and this one is kind of like a dupe, so I'm pretty sure y'all all gonna be here for it. So I think that this is a dupe for the Laneige lip sleeping mask. So here we have the Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask, and I like this, you guys, because it is literally, like I said, a dupe of one of my favorite lip masks. But I don't like the price point, you guys. All the time, every time I purchase the Laneige lip sleeping mask, I always like get upset with myself, like $20, Leslie, for a lip balm. Like seriously. And I have been on the hunt for something that is going to give me that exact like thickness, butteriness. Like if you guys have the lip sleeping mask from Laneige, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And girl, I think I finally found it, and it is the Milani one, you guys, and it has the same kind of like consistency just like the Laneige one, you guys. I love it. And as you guys can see, she's almost halfway done, okay, because she is used all the time. And yeah, I actually been using this one more because it's cheaper, so I don't feel as guilty using it up the way I do with my other mask. So if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. That was everything that I had for skincare. Now I'm gonna jump into a hair product. Now this is actually a hair product, but I use it for a lot of things. So this is actually the Kiss Edge Fixer Maximum Hold Glued Edge Control. I do have this one in the shade Pineapple, which is the green one. They do have multiple scents. This is a little mini one. If you guys ever see this in your beauty supply store, Saweetie is actually on the campaign of it. So this is actually her collaboration with Kiss. She came out with an edge control, and girl, I've been loving it, not only for my edges, okay, because today I actually used it on my edges, but I've also been loving this for my brows, you guys. Yes, I have been super obsessed with like feather brows, bushy brows lately, more like natural brows. And I have to update you guys on my new brow routine because I do not I still use the Morphe micro brow pencil, but now I just added more steps to it. So yeah, I still use that, but it's just more steps. So I am going to be doing a new updated brow routine. But yes, lately I've been putting edge control in my brows to lay them bitches down and get them nice and upwards. And I've been loving that type of brow effect lately. It's not like gel. It is not like gel. It's not gonna make it hard and crunchy and stiff. I actually love this because it has hold, but you can maneuver it even with like your spoolie. So this is what the edge control looks like. It is just like a clear balm. And I like to just take the back of a little spoolie. Now, I literally just dip my brush in there, and I like to take off all the extra excess, put it on the back of my hand, and then boom, I just go in and start brushing all of my hairs upward. And girl, when I tell you, this makes my brows and my baby hairs look bomb, and it lasts all day. So yeah, if you guys have not tried edge control in your brows, specifically this one is so amazing, you guys. I get this at my local beauty supply store, and I love Saweetie, so I'm just so happy that she collabed with Kiss. I love Kiss. So yeah, definitely try this one out. And like I said, I love the pineapple one because this one to me smells the best. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna start jumping into like the makeup items more or less. Let's talk about my current favorite foundation, you guys. So it's by Per Cosmetics, and this is the Love Your Selfie foundation. I am obsessed with this foundation. I actually started using it more because obviously it's summertime, so I did get some color. So I felt like this foundation was like one of those foundations where it's like, oh, that one matches me the best, let me just go ahead and use it. And I actually just honestly just been obsessed with it because it's great, besides the fact that it matches me perfectly. I'm wearing it today. It looks beautiful on the skin. It looks beautiful in pictures, beautiful on camera. And you guys, it really stays put. I don't like oil up, you guys. It really keeps my skin looking nice and intact and matte, and only dewy on the places where I want like the dew to be, if you get me. Also really love the application on it. So it does come with a standard pump just like most foundations, but I love it because it also has kind of like this little doe foot part here, and this is actually how I apply the foundation. So I don't even need to pump it on the back of my hand. I don't have that freaking foundation splatter that I always walk outside with because I forget to wipe it off. So I just put it straight on like that. And the reason why it does have that little doe foot applicator is because this is meant to be a foundation and a concealer, but I personally like my concealer under my eyes to be a little bit brighter, so I would never use this as a foundation and concealer. But for foundation, girl, it is bomb. And I do have mine in the shade MG5, which just matches me perfect right now, and I just been obsessed. Oh, I should have mentioned this first, but whatever. The Juno & Co. Moonshine Cream, and I know this was not a surprise to you guys because you see this pretty often in most of all of my makeup tutorials. I just love this stuff so much, you guys. I love that it looks like a little weird spaceship. Literally, I've done like 3 clients in the past week, and every time I back this out, everybody was like, what is that? And I'm like, it's a moisturizer and a primer. And it is exactly that. It definitely gives you hydration, and it definitely does moisturize, but it also definitely smooths out your skin, which I love. And I love that the consistency is nice and thick, you guys. Like, it really definitely hydrates you. Because y'all know I'm fucking dry over here. So I need something super moisturizing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it doesn't really have a smell or anything to it. But I'm telling you guys, this stuff is bomb. And I know a lot of beauty influencers really rave about this stuff. So if you still have not tried the Juno & Co. Moonshine Cream, girl, I don't know what you're doing, okay? Next beauty product that I have is, of course, this is another one that is no surprise because I literally start every makeup tutorial off with this product. This is the Plouise Base in the shade Rumor 2. You guys, this is my jam. I should have listened from jump when you guys been trying to put me on to the Plouise bases. I don't know why it took me so long. I have so many shades now and so many colors. Like, I am honestly hooked. But you guys, this is the one that I gravitate towards to the most because it is, like I said, just like a concealer shade. This is what it looks like. And I just love this stuff, you guys, because there is nothing like this. I'm looking for something to just give you the perfect canvas for your eyelid to start off your eyeshadow looks. Girl, you need the Plouise Base. But yeah, you guys, Sage went in on this one. My little baby doggy, she chewed my Plouise Base and I was so heartbroken. I have a freaking puppy again. I literally forgot that they do shit like this. And I'm like, sis, like, did the puppy go into my makeup drawer and get it? Did I accidentally drop it? Like, Sage was on it with this. And I was just like, yo. So she actually pierced like the cap, but she didn't get to pierce the bottle, thank God. So none of the product is like oozing out. But there's so many teeth marks on it that I'm just like, but we're not going to waste product over here. But I already ordered a backup just in case she even try me again. You know what I'm saying? The next product that I've been loving as well, and you guys know I actually discovered this in my full face using e.l.f. video, and that is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I literally use this every time I use my makeup now. I also did have a few clients. I use this on my clients as well, and girl, it was just beautiful on everybody. I love it so much. So it's not one of those powders that's gonna literally give you dry, matte ass skin. I love it because it literally just looks like a soft matte. It looks like airbrush. So I have this on as well today underneath my eyes. I literally probably have all of these products on in today's video, but anyway, I have this to set underneath my eyes, and as you guys can see, it literally looks flawless and airbrushed. And I still can't believe this is from the drugstore, you guys. I don't know, I'm like a strong believer of high-end setting powders. I don't know, I never really came across a drugstore setting powder that I love beside this one, you guys. This is like my first love drugstore setting powder. I do have mine in the shade Light. I believe they have 3 different shades. So yeah, and this is what the powder looks like. Even though it's the shade Light, I'm not sure if you guys can see, it does have a little bit of color to it, but it is such a beautiful powder. Oh my god. Okay, so the last product that I have for makeup is the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last. So this one is the mango and coconut scent, and that's honestly why I cannot stop using it. It smells amazing. It does have the same formula as the regular Milani Make It Last, which you guys all know is amazing. But girl, this one is mango and coconut. So they also have 2 other scents that I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't even tried them because I'm just so hooked on this one. This is the first one that I busted open and I sprayed, and ever since I opened it, I've been hooked on it. So I'm not gonna lie, I haven't even tried the other 2 in the collection, so we're not even gonna talk about those. But as far as the mango and coconut one, bitch, this smells amazing. I am wearing it now. It definitely adds a nice little glow to your skin, but it definitely does keep your makeup intact all day. Like it says, this shit makes it last. Okay, wait, I lied. I have one more product, and this one is actually fairly new to me, but it's crazy how quickly I went through it. So this is the One Size Go Off Juiciest makeup wipes from Patrick Starr's brand. You guys, I did a whole review on my channel if you guys want to see a whole dedicated one size review. And girl, I've been loving the wipes. I love the mist as well, but I feel like I gravitate towards the mist when I have heavy makeup, cut crease, crazy eyeshadow, like then I need the mist. But on a day-to-day basis where I'm just taking off my everyday makeup, I literally just go in with the wipe. And you guys, these wipes are massive. They leave my skin super hydrated. They do not strip out all the moisture, which I hate in makeup remover wipes. So yeah, they're really, really good. I probably have like about 3 left in here. Oh, bitch, lies. I have 1 left, which is gonna be for tonight. So after today, I will be completely done with this, which is crazy. Like, I can't even believe I already went through 21 wipes. And I will definitely be repurchasing this. So that's why I'm telling you guys that they made it in today's video, because girl, I am definitely going to be repurchasing these. Last but not least, you guys, in this favorites video is going to be a product that honestly I cannot live without, and it is a little handheld little fan. You guys, I've seen so many people use these little fans in their videos after doing their makeup to like fan their setting spray, and I never like really wanted one. Honestly, I was just like, you know what I'm saying? I never really thought I needed one. And then the other day I was actually walking around in the Bronx, and you know, there's a lot of like people who sell things in the street. So of course, always support your local vendors, you guys. Support your community, help them eat, like we all need to eat, okay? This guy, he was actually selling toys and things like that, and I seen that he had these little handheld fans. But what caught my eye about this one specifically, you guys, is that this one has a little light. So it looks like a little ring light, and then if you press it twice, it looks like a little party. Like, I thought that that was so cute. It does come with this little dock. So you put it right there. It doesn't take batteries, you guys. It is chargeable, so it does have a little cord where you can just charge it and leave it charging right there on your vanity. So since I did buy this in the street, I tried my hardest, you guys, to find this online. But the box that it came in literally just said LED mini fan. Like, it had no brand, no nothing. It was kind of like a Chinese brand. So you guys actually spotted this in my last video, and you guys said that these fans look like they sell them in those little Minioso Japan stores. If you guys want to check out that store, you can find it. But the point is, you guys, is the whole point of a mini fan. You definitely need a mini fan. Doesn't matter what mini fan, you guys, light up, don't light up, it don't matter. It just uplifts my spirit when I'm like, you know, doing my setting spray. It just adds, you know, more fun to the makeup routine, if you get me. That was everything that I had to show you in today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Comment down below if you guys tried any items in this beauty favorites, and if you like anything, and also comment down below what are your current beauty favorites. I want to know what you guys have been currently loving as well. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.